Alright, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is gonna be why are people leaving Canada? It's gonna be pretty intense. Let's check it out. Do you know a recent stats from Stats Canada shows that close to 350,000 immigrants have left Canada in 2022? But why is this happening? This is one of the highest number in past 2 decades, and Canada is such a welcoming country. So after doing my own research and talking to few of these students, I came across that there are top 5 reasons why students are leaving Canada. In fact, fourth one actually made me think of my decision of staying here. So let's check it out and make sure you watch this video till the end. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon and get all the information you need to succeed as a student in Canada. So reason number 1 will be the increase in number of immigrants over the past 20 years. In 2000, according to Stats Canada, only 40,000 immigrants came. But last year, close to 500,000 immigrants came. And this is one of the main reasons why the competition is cutthroat to get good paying field job in Canada these days. In fact, this has also increased the shortage of housing affordability, which is our reason number 2. So talking about housing affordability, as of right now, if you have to rent a 1-bedroom apartment, it's going to cost you between $1,100 to $1,600 and even more if you're living in cities like Toronto or Vancouver. This is one of the main reasons why it's getting very hard for students to afford rent prices. In fact, a recent survey also shows that students currently are paying 25% more than the rent prices on an average that a student used to pay 5 years ago. Next up on the list is the lack of job opportunities. With the current scenarios in North America, big IT firms are firing their employees like crazy, and the unemployment rate is increasing every single day. In fact, people with master's degrees are also struggling to land even in entry-level roles. There is also news that students are protesting outside colleges and universities of their false promises of getting a job after graduation. And this is one of the main reasons why we started MPM. And we're helping students and immigrants with their resume, with job applying strategies, and helping them to land their dream job. So if you need our help, do check it out in the description below. Fourth and the most concerning is the healthcare system. No doubt the healthcare system is free. You don't have to pay anything. But to access an emergency room, the wait time is crazy. I live in Ottawa, it's the capital city of Canada, and unfortunately I have to visit an emergency room a couple of months back, and the wait time was 6 to 8 hours, no matter if you're bleeding, which is crazy. And don't just listen to me, there are recent surveys that shows that to get an appointment with your doctor, currently it is taking 27 weeks, or in simple words, 7 months to see your family doctor. So think before you're moving here. And reason number 5 is the heavy tax on our income. According to OECD, Canada has 4th highest total tax burden among 36 other countries. And what does that mean? So if you're making $50,000 annually after federal and provincial tax, this is the calculation it's going to look like, and this is what you're going to get in the end. But after all these reasons, Canada is still expecting to welcome 1.5 million immigrants in the next 2 years. So one thing is for sure, people have figured out how to come to Canada, but we are still wondering how to sustain in Canada. And if you are looking for our help with your resume, with your job applying strategies, with how to land your dream job, do check out all the free resources and our services on how we have helped hundreds of international students to land their dream jobs. In fact, if you want to learn how to get into public sector jobs and how I did it, do check out this video in which I have given step-by-step procedure. So until then, see you next week. Take care. Best of luck.